When God, who is Christ, is king of your head, then you're united. But to come on a worldly level and unite, Satan is in the midst. To respect a human when they are human. I've said this and I'll say it again. The Western world has succeeded quite considerably in giving value to everything. The Western world, and Western world is Australia, Canada, America, Europe, all of these are Western world. The Western world has succeeded quite considerably in giving value to everything, but the Western world has failed miserably in giving purpose to everything. And until you find out what the purpose of the thing is, you can never give it value. If you don't know what the car is made for, what is the purpose of a car, don't talk about value. You can't give value to something you don't know why it was made for in the first place. But when you know why the car was made, that is the purpose, then you can put value to the car. The problem, the Western world gave value to the human and forgot totally about the purpose of the human. And what is the value of the human being? Human rights. Human rights. Human rights. The United Nations, which I call the ununited nations, because none of them are united. They are all actors faking it one before the other. No one is united. You know why? Because unity can only be made possible when Christ is king over your head. When God, who is Christ, is king over your head, then you're united. But to come on a worldly level and unite, Satan is in the midst. 100%. He is in charge. And what is Satan? The Lord said it. He is the father of all lies. Lies after lies after lies after lies. This is the world. The biggest liar is the world, because Satan is the greatest teacher of lies who rules the world. So the Western world focused on human rights. Human rights, human rights. That's the value of the human. What is the purpose of the human? The right to be a human, not human rights. The right to be a human, not human rights. What is the right to be a human? To find out in a nutshell what is the right to be a human, you need to go back to your origin. And who is your origin? God. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. That is your origin. When you go back to God, then you are in the right to being a human. That's your purpose. The purpose is God created you, wasn't the Big Bang. You don't come from apes. Enough of this nonsense of evolution. Throw it in the bin. Enough. God is the only reason for everything to exist, including the human race. And this God, till the day I go to the grave, is Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the crown of my glory. No one else. Loud and clear, I will shout.